Welcome back to Beyond the Lens Productions. At you today about a story about Stellantis and their disappearing executives. They've lost a third one in a very short period of time, and they're all going to the same place. Want to find out more? Stick around. I'll tell you all about it. Welcome back, guys. So Stellantis has lost their third executive in a matter of a very short period of time, actually. They're all going to the same place, BYD. BYD is a electric car maker in China, and they are looking to expand into Europe. They are wanting to open a factory in Turkey and Hungary, and they are looking for some experience. I guess they want to come into the country there with some people knowing what they're doing. Stellantis, maybe you could take some lessons from them because they certainly are clueless about the U.S. and Canadian markets here and what the people here want. So maybe they could learn from that. Anyhow, all three of the executives have gone into BYD. Why are they leaving? Well, I mean, Carlos seems to be just a little bit trigger happy these days, and he seems to be getting rid of people faster than we can count, and due to his faltering sales numbers and whatnot. So maybe they're just trying to get out while the getting's good and before they get fired. Possible, I don't know. Maybe BYD, I haven't heard any numbers, but I'm going to assume they're probably offering them some attractive sums of money. So that could be another reason. Another theory that I've heard kicked around out there, and TK's Garage actually brought this one up, and kind of a curious one about merger. Maybe a merger with Stellantis? Could be. Takeover? I don't know. I don't think they're big enough to be able to do that, because that was another site I saw somebody kicking around that theory on. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I'd be kind of curious to hear what you guys have to say about this. I just want to make a short little video here today just to kind of let you know about the new interesting news in the world of Stellantis. And yeah, if you enjoy what I do, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and then you'll be notified of whenever I release a new video. And I hope you all have a great day.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.